Welcome back viewers and subscribers to another video on my channel, and for this video I'll be doing a ramen noodle soup recipe. Let's go over the ingredients. So I'm going to need some diced scallion, some chicken breast, 1 egg, butter, tin sausage, Maggi season, cock soup for flavoring, and my ramen noodles. So guys, without further ado, let's get into the video.
So we're going to start by lighting our stove. So once we get our stove lighted, we're going to put on our pot and allow it to heat up before we add the other ingredients to it.
Pot is heated. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of butter. Allow that to melt. Sizzle, sizzle. We're now going to add our chicken and some diced garlic and allow it to saute for a bit. We're going to add a little of our spring onion to it. So we're doing sauteing before. So getting the flavor, guys, from the spring onions. Allow that to cook out and flavor will start to settle in. So that give it about 5 or 10 minutes and then we'll come back.
So I added about 1 cup of water to my pot. I'm going to allow that to bubble up before we add our remaining ingredients. So once it starts to bubble, we're now going to add our ramen noodle to the pot and allow it to cook.
Getting everything, guys, getting everything. We're going to add our sausages. We're going to add a little more scallion and little cheese and 1 more sausage, and we have our egg, but we're going to add that.
I'm gonna add everything in one turn. So this my soup, here it's going, bubbling, bubbling.
Wow! So now we're going to add our egg. I'm going to add some more of our scallion. Okay, I don't have it. And allow that to cook down for 5 more minutes, then we're ready. 1, 2, 3. My ramen noodle has finished. There it is, guys. Have a look, have a look. Woo, time for serving and eating. Yum yum.
So there you have it, guys. My ramen recipe dish is finished. This is the final look. As you can see, the butter has settled on top. It's a very simple and quick way to spice up your normal ramen soup mix package. So hope you enjoy, guys. Thanks for watching.
Let's try one of our sausage. Grab it. It's sliding, it's sliding. Yeah, you got it. Let's try it. It's well. Hot. Wow. Tastes nice. Try one of the chicken. Thumbnail. Ta-da! So guys, thank you all for watching today's video, and I hope you all enjoy this recipe. Alright, I say much I but because the butter, but there we go, guys.